with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. So today you all, I will be showing you what colors I chose to use on my bed. If you missed the video where I had my Amazon bedding unboxing, go and check that out and then you will understand this video a little bit better. But anyway, as you can see, this is the bedspread that I chose to use. I love the stitching on here. It is like a beige color. I love the stitching. And I went ahead, you guys, and I have the pillow shams already on here. And then I have my pillows on the back and I have them stacked on the back. So this is what it looks like so far. So in that video, I was trying to figure out what colors was I going to use with this bedding. So what I have already done is I have already put the pillows inserts into the covers already. I've already done that. So you guys will see what I decided to go with. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. You guys know I cannot do this without you all. So this is what it is looking like now with the bedspread. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And remember also I told you guys I have a king size bed. So this bedding from Amazon is oversized king bedding. And so I always get oversized so it can come to the floor on both sides. Because if you just purchase a regular king size, it's going to be short. You see it comes down on the floor here. So I love the oversized bedding. Alright you guys, let me go ahead and show you all what pillows I'm going to be using on the bedding and what color I decided to use. So I had these soft plush pillow covers already. So I decided to bring those in. And so they are like an off-white color. And I have one on both sides here, as you can see. And that's to brighten the cream color up a little bit. So that's what it's looking like. Don't worry about the gap right there, you guys. The gap that you see right there, because the pillows are going to cover that up. But let me do something else. Let me do a switcheroo to see what it's going to look like with the pillows standing up, meaning my back two pillows where you guys see the gap in the middle right there. So my two sleeping pillows back there, I decided to stand those up. So now it looks a little bit better to me with them standing up versus laying down. And the two sleeping pillows are these pillows right here in which I'm talking about. So now to me it looks a little bit more uniform. You all, decorative pillows can truly change the look of your bedding. It just make it look so full and make it look so luxurious, if I said that right. Okay, you guys, so this is what we're looking like so far. Okay, let's go on to the next pillow covers of choice. And I spoke in my video when I did the unboxing that I don't just go out and purchase the decorative pillows. What I do is I purchase the pillow covers and then I just add the inserts to them. It's cheaper that way to me, and plus it saves space as well, so you don't have all these pillows to store. So now I am coming in with these linen colored pillows. And instead of putting them face front, I decided to slant them a little bit, as you can see right here. actually turning them this way instead of having them face front like this one. So this is what it's looking like. I hope the lighting is okay because the lighting is not the best in my room here. But okay, these are my two colors right now. And I'm glad I chose to use the off-white here because it is really bringing out this beige and the linen in the bedding. So what I've decided to do is I wanted to soften up the look a little bit by using just a soft pillow cover here, and I added these two right here, and they're still the linen color. Looks beautiful. They're very soft, but I do need to straighten them up a little bit. After Christmas, I am going to purchase a new mattress set because I believe these have run its course here. But this is what it's looking like. So I'm liking the look so far, but to really make this linen and beige color pop, we need to add a pillow that is going to just bring these beiges and linen and off-white colors together. So let's see what else we can add here just to make all of this pop. And if you've been watching me for some time, you already know that I am a pillow girl. I love a bed full of pillows. If you have reached it this far in the video, I hope that if this is your first time, you have already clicked on that subscribe button. And also, if you are still here, I hope you have also clicked on the thumbs up as well too. So you all, we are at the point in the video where we are ready to do the reveal. So yes, we are here to do the reveal. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope this video was inspirational to you, and I hope you were able to take something away from this video. Like I said, this was just piggybacking off of an Amazon bedding unboxing that I did. And also, if you did not see that video, go ahead and check it out because I showed you piece by piece what I've used here on this bed styling. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this beautiful, warm and cozy styling. So, as you all can see here, I have used the linen and beige colors in my bedding. Now, what I love is how I broke up the linen color and the beige by using this faux fur pillow here with the specks of brown throughout. And that is what brought me to use this throw on the bed. So everything syncs together. Everything is cohesive together in this bedding. Everything looks absolutely beautiful. Everything came together perfectly. And I apologize for the lighting. But yeah, you all, this is my styling of my Amazon bedding along with all of my pillow covers. Now, the brown and off-white fur pillows, I already had those. The off-white ones back there, I had those ones already. So like I said, if you go back and see the video, you'll see what is new in this styling. And I already had this throw as well too. I just pulled it out of my stash. All right, you all. Again, thank you, LoveBug, so much for tuning in on today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as I stated before, I pray that this video was able to enlighten you a little bit, to give you some ideas, and also inspire you and motivate you to be able to upgrade your styling in your bedroom. And without further ado, At Home with Lisa is going to sign off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the